Alright, so we've talked about smart objects. I've shown you the very beginning of how it can be used and how you will use it in the future assignments. The next thing I want to do now is show you blending modes. And most of you have actually come across the need to access or change and edit blending modes in some of the tutorials you've been exploring. So blending modes for this purpose actually starts here in the layers panel, and right up here you'll see normal. And what it means is that any of these layers I choose, I can actually change the way that that layer interprets any layers underneath it. For instance, I have shapes, which should be on top of your metal bear file. So if it's not, pause the video and do so. And I'm just going to pick any one of these, say overlay, and you can see it changes the way. It actually gives it almost a transparent feel. You can actually see pixels underneath the texture, the content, underneath the graphic, and we're just going to zoom in here so you can really see what's going on. So it's a really cool feature, and one of the things I like to do is if you just click it so that your blending mode is highlighted, you can use the up and down arrow keys on your control pad or your keyboard, and check it out. You can actually cycle through any of the features and find ones that you feel work best for what's going on in your document. This is a really powerful feature, and it's a lot of fun, more so than it is technical, I feel. It's only recently that it's become much more technical for me. We'll get into the technical aspect maybe later, definitely in digital media too, but for now I want you to really explore and play around with different blending modes, and they only apply per layer. So if I select down here, metal bear down here, and you notice that it switches back to normal. This one is at normal, background is at normal, so it's actually selective to the layer that you have selected. Or you can select multiple objects and do nothing. You can only do this one at a time. Alright, that is blending modes.